This is an extremely exciting time for Tesla investors as a number of remarkable factors come together to suggest that the upcoming year could be a game changer for those who have invested in the electric vehicle company. As we begin the new year, it's a great time for us to look back on the past and look forward to the future. With her unmatched insight and track record, Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest Management LLC, is more bullish than ever about the electric vehicle giant, Tesla, despite market volatility and naysayers. Are you prepared to challenge conventional wisdom and join her as a joint abolish force in the world of Tesla investing? According to Cathie, Tesla shares will explode over the following 5 years by a factor of 5. Come along as we explore this fearless investor's thinking to see the motivations behind her steadfast faith in Tesla, from her recent buying binge to her ambitious forecasts. Before we go there, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you're interested in learning more about the future of the electric car business. Did you know that despite the fact that a lot of individuals have sold their Tesla shares due to the company's recent unstable performance and lost faith in Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla? Despite the fact that February has only begun, Cathie Wood is more optimistic than ever about the top electric vehicle manufacturer. Based on ARK's daily statistics, Cathie Wood believes that there is a 5-fold growth in stock price for Tesla over the next 5 years, and she is more confident than ever about the company's future. During the first U.S. trading day of 2023, Cathie Wood, the CEO of ARK Invest Management LLC, purchased roughly 176,000 shares of Tesla. This has shown a renewed belief in the EV manufacturer at a time when many other investors have abandoned the business, even in the face of generous incentives. Since October 3rd, when their most recent purchasing spree started, Tesla's stock price has dropped by 12 points due to the company's failure to meet quarterly delivery projections. As many are aware, 2022 was a challenging year for Tesla. The company aggressively discounted its products in the United States last month, offering a discount of $3,750 to consumers. But the seemingly radical move from the market leader in EVs didn't pay off. One could buy Tesla stock during the first quarter of 7 in Wood's ETS ownership. This period from October to December marked the first quarter in 7 in which ARK bought Tesla stock, claimed that Tesla was offering discounts on automobiles in the previous month in order to set up a new tax credit that would be implemented in 2023. But it was subsequently discovered that many of the manufacturer's products would not be eligible for the tax reductions. Even still, Tesla continued to surprise investors by reporting lower than expected fourth-quarter deliveries, following 3 consecutive quarters of Tesla deliveries. Following the miss, several analysts cut their 12-month price projections for the stock, putting the average Wall Street forecast down to its lowest point since October 2021. Even if the market has increased by 4% since Elon Musk took over as Twitter CEO on October 27, the average target price still indicates that the stock will rise by much over 100% in the next 12 months. Since then, Tesla stock has declined dramatically. If you follow the stock chart all the way back to its peak in late 2021, you will see that shares have dropped by about 70%. Although lower than expected sales in the fourth quarter disappointed investors, the good news is that Tesla is still rapidly growing its market share despite a difficult year for automakers. 2022 Tesla witnessed a 40% increase in vehicle deliveries in that year. Wood has been increasing her stake in Tesla over the past few months, and she hasn't stopped even though the stock has reversed course. In contrast, Tesla will continue to gain market share. The company has recently moved to aggressively decrease pricing, which has put pressure on other manufacturers to follow them and damage their competitors. ARK Investment CEO, who oversees the widely held Energy Select sector fund that follows the shares of energy businesses, recently remarked that the market was behaving irrationally. ARK Investment CEO Cathie Wood said that we are more optimistic than ever about Tesla. As a result, ARK remains optimistic about Tesla, projecting a 10-fold increase in the company's valuation. This optimism stems from the assertion made by Wood that Tesla can double its addressable market by reducing the cost of an electric car. When asked about her thoughts on large companies competing with Tesla in electric vehicle production, Wood cited the Tesla autonomous taxi platform as an example of the kind of innovative change that was needed in the book, In Harm's Way. According to Wood, unless they want to lose money on their cars, no other automaker will be able to compete with or surpass Tesla's combo. When buyers start to migrate from gas power to electric and look at the characteristics of numerous cars, brand loyalty will diminish, and Wood believes they're doing horribly at this. In a Yahoo Finance interview from last year, our CEO Cathie Wood highlighted her belief that gas-powered vehicles are going to be outdated over the next 5 to 10 years, and the traditional auto business has to figure out a method to convert to electric vehicles. Now the largest automaker in the world, Tesla, has risen to the top. This sector of the economy for Tesla is setting itself up to continue to lead the electric vehicle market into a new age, even though financial returns in the years to come may not be as high as they have been in the past. During a mid-October appearance on Kim's Squawk Box, another ARC executive expressed confidence about the leading electric vehicle manufacturer, arguing that the firm had a lot of irons in the fire and that investors should consider whether or not now is a good time to buy. Tasha Keeney gave an explanation of why Cathie Electric believes that ART is optimistic on Tesla. Despite the fact that cars currently make up a very small portion of auto sales, we should remember that the industry is still growing. Tesla is recognized as a leader in the EV and autonomous industries. Furthermore, Wood said in a different interview with Yahoo Finance that she thinks Tesla will switch to an autonomous taxi platform in 2024 to achieve its target of growing deliveries by 50% annually over a number of years, a goal that Tesla warned it would not reach in 2022. Tesla will probably have to make concessions regarding gross margins, but I think Elon is still as committed as ever to the company's continued dominance in the global market for electric vehicles. Even though Tesla has lowered prices on all of its models in China and announced a planned shutdown of its Shanghai facility, bullish analysts and investors are optimistic that the business will continue to lead the electric vehicle market revolution that has at last accelerated, particularly in the areas of solar energy and battery storage. On the other hand, pessimistic experts and investors fear that the company won't live up to its potential and will only become another product outfit instead of creating anything genuinely revolutionary. While some experts see tests as a growth opportunity, with delivery expected to increase by 40% in 2023 to 1.8 million to 1.9 million vehicles, from roughly 1.3 million in 2022, and increasing its market share in the electric vehicle space. Additionally, Tesla's recent entry into the energy storage market is expected to be a significant growth driver for the company given the growing demand for renewable energy solutions in the push towards electrification. The energy storage market is predicted to be a multi-billion-dollar industry in the near future. Finally, the company's ongoing efforts to lower the cost of battery technology could lead to even more disruptive innovations. All in all, these so-called experts are wrong. As a strong supporter of innovation, Cathie Wood and her investment firm ARK Invest are more optimistic than ever about Tesla shares. This year, she has been outspoken in her support of Tesla and its impending innovative ideas. Let's hope this video sheds some light on finance and investing. Success in the financial markets depends on well-researched decisions. Always get advice from a financial counselor before making an investment. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll see you in the next one.